Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Today I'm going to review my Robinhood portfolio dividends in the second quarter of 2018. That's from the end of March to end of June 2018. Currently I have $136,000 in my portfolio, and today my portfolio dipped, but I'm not worried because my portfolio is highly diversified, so the impact wasn't too bad. My portfolio is spread out in different sectors through ETFs and stocks, and going forward I'm trying to invest more in stocks, which is higher risk than ETFs, but in the long run, I think my picks will perform well. Since I'm invested in the long run, I don't actually gain until I sell my positions, but another way to get income is through dividends, which is a payout from the company just from holding the asset. Typically, these pay out quarterly, sometimes monthly, and usually I reinvest them back into stocks, so the compounding effect is greater. So let's go over my dividends for this quarter. First one is Spider, S&P 500, going to get $9.96 on July 31st. Next is United Health. I'll get $15.30 on June 26, 2018. Pending means they'll be paying out the dividends soon. And the past 30 days, these are the ones I already received. So McDonald's, I got $14.14. That one's a pretty good dividend play. Nvidia is $3.15. Microsoft is $20.16. This one's a pretty good dividend play as well as growth. That's why it's one of my larger holdings. Home Depot is $16.48. This one's also a good dividend play. Johnson & Johnson, $16.20. That's also a good dividend play. 3M, $14.96. This one's a good dividend play. Dow Jones Industrial Average, this one's 70 cents. I only have one share. NetEase, I only have one share or two shares, and that paid out 46 cents. Visa, $9.45. Boeing is a good dividend play, $23.94. Ford is a good dividend play, but I already sold on my position. This one's $2.10. Constellation Brands, 74 cents. Apple's a good dividend play, as well as a good long-term growth play. This one's $21.17. Procter & Gamble, $4.30. This one's a good dividend play as well. Dow Jones Industrial Average, 13 cents. Activision Blizzard, $6.12. AT&T paid $15.50. This one's a really good dividend play. The dividend yield is, I believe, 6.3%. So it's really good dividend play, although the asset growth is not as strong, but their dividend is really good. Spider S&P 500, this one paid out $8.77. Dow Jones Industrial Average paid 45 cents. I believe this one's a dividend ETF from Vanguard, $10.95. This one's also a dividend ETF from Vanguard, $5.16. Vanguard S&P 500, this one paid $65.02. This is one of my larger holdings. iShares S&P 500, $11.06. Mega Cap Value, $9.14. Mega Cap Growth from Vanguard, $3.61. I believe this one's a Vanguard Large Cap, $3.63. Vanguard Mega Cap, $10.42. This one's a Vanguard Total Stock Markets Index, $5.09. This one's a Vanguard Value ETF, $5.43. Schwab, I think this one's a S&P 500 ETF, $43.87. This is one of my larger holdings as well. Schwab Dividend ETF, $4.97. Schwab Broad Market ETF, $3.20. Home Depot, $16.48. This one's a good dividend play. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary, $4.34. Vanguard Staples, Consumer Staples, $6.96. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, $25.30. This is also one of my larger holdings. Vanguard Industrials ETF, $4.46. And Vanguard Healthcare ETF, $3.49. So that's all the dividends for this quarter in my Robinhood portfolio. That's a total of $446.76. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and reinvesting my dividends into more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and high growth stocks. So that's all for this video. What are your favorite dividend paying stocks? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.